The white-throated kingfisher is widely distributed in Eurasia from Bulgaria, Turkey, West Asia east through the Indian Subcontinent to the Philippines. Here, he is eating a fish, which he has stolen from the pond in my house in Kerala, India. It is very interesting to see how it catches his prey, and eat it. First, he sits on the branch of a tree and focus its prey until it stop moving. Then suddenly flew down and pick it up from water within seconds. Even the prey does not know actually what happened. If the fish is too big and difficult to swallow easily, then the real trick starts. He hits the fish on the branch of the tree, until it breaks. Birds and animals use different kind of strategy to catch their prey. But, kingfisher's strategy is entirely different from other birds. Once the fish breaks apart, it starts to swallow slowly. After completely swallow the fish, he relax for some times and come back to normal. It can often be found well away from water where it feeds on a wide range of prey, that includes small reptiles, amphibians, crabs, small rodents and even birds. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy the video.